at, I think, what page is this? 21, 22, 23? 20 what? 32. See? Here. Bueno, people, bueno. Okay, so graph the function in vertex form. So remember now we are talking about vertex form and how to graph parabolas in vertex form. So this is the new form called vertex form. So what is my a value of this equation? What's the a value? Good. It's the number that's directly out front, so the 2. So because that is a positive 2, does the parabola open up or down? So is that a max or a min? Very good. Next, we're going to find the vertex. Remember, it's opposite keep. So opposite and keep will give me what and what? 3, -4. Opposite of this -3, keep the -4. Okay? Since my vertex is at 3, -4, what's my AOS at? X equals 3. It's just your X value, right? Y-intercept. To find my y-intercept, I plug in 0 for X into the equation, and I solve for Y. So go ahead and do that right now. Plug in 0 for X and see what you get for an output of Y. What do you guys get for an output? 14. Then we need one more point. So remember, to get our next point, we want to use a value in between 3 and 0, in between our X values. One thing I don't think I said yesterday that's important, though, you want to go closer to the vertex number if possible. So I want to be in between 3 and 0, but I want to be closer to my vertex number of 3. So what's a good number to choose if that's what I want? 2. So now I'm going to plug in 2. So 2 minus 3 is? -1 squared is? 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 minus 4 is -2. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to graph this. So we didn't talk much about graphing yesterday, but we have 3 points. We're going to graph those 3 points. We have a point at 3, -4. We have a point at 2, -2. And then a point at 0 all the way up here at 14. Okay? Now, that's essentially one side of our parabola. To get the other side, what I want for you to do is I want you to draw your AOS. Remember, your AOS is the line of reflection that goes through the vertex. It's that X equals 3 line. And what you're going to do is you're going to mirror image those points. So if I look here, I have a point here. It is 1 away from the axis of symmetry. So I have to go 1 away to mirror image it, and there's that point. Up here, I have another point. It is 1, 2, 3 away from the axis of symmetry. So I count 1, 2, 3 away, and I get a point right about here. Vertex does not have a mirror image point because it's directly on the axis of symmetry. So once I've done that, I can start drawing my parabola. Questions? Okay. I want for you to try the next one completely on your own, start to finish, including the graph. All right, guys, here we go. So, next one. What's your A value? -1. Opens up or down? Max or min? Vertex is at? -5, 2. So, X equals? Y'all with me? Y-intercept, plug in 0, and I get what as an output? Another point would be, a good one would be -4 because it's close to my vertex. If I plug in -4, what do I get for an output? So -5 up 2, -4 up 1, 0 down here all the way far down. Draw my AOS. Here I am 1 away, so go 1 away. Here I am 5 away, so I'm going to go about 5 away. There we go. We okay? All right, next page. Go ahead and do the top 2 on your own. Up 2. First one, what's your A value? -2. Opens up or down? Max or min? Vertex is at? Vertex is at? Y-intercept is 0. So there's not a number in between, and my expectation wouldn't be that you guys would do a decimal number. This one, okay, so if I did -1, you will probably get -3. Is that correct? Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, we want you to do -1. I'm sorry. If you had done... if you had done 2, yeah, if you would have done 2, then you would have gotten -3, and that doesn't help us much. So if I put in -1, what do you get for an output? Awesome. Okay, so up 1, down 1, 0, down 3, back 1, down 9. I'm going to draw my AOS. So it's going to be my straight up and down line that goes through the vertex. Mirror image, this one's 1 away, so I'm going to go 1 away. This one is 1, 2 away, so I'm going to go 1, 2 away, and there's that point. So now I'm going to connect it to see my parabola. Questions? Okay. Next one, what's my A value? Parabola opens. It has a y or x equals 4. Vertex is at? Y-intercept is at 0. I'm going to pick 3 because I want to go in between but closer to my vertex. If I plug in 3, it's 1. Okay. Over 4, up 2. Over 3, up 1. 0. All the way down here somewhere. AOS is right here. Mirror image goes there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Right about there. Here and here. All right, we got one more. Let's do it together. Last one. What's my A value? Parabola opens. Max or min? Which one? Minimum. Axis of symmetry, x equals? Vertex is at? Good. Y-intercept 0, 14. Point we would want to do would be -2. If I plug in -2, what do I get for my y? -2, right? So back 3 down 4. Back 2 down 2. And then 0, 14 is somewhere up here. AOS. Mirror image it. Point here. Point here. Super skinny. Questions on this, guys? Okay, so your homework is your actual classwork, really, because you have plenty of time. Flip to the next page. I need for you to do this page just 1 through 4. Yep. Any questions for me, guys? All right, work on that.